One of the major issues with the current AI is that the AI tracks the player where the player has been and then restarts. So you see that the AI is continuously stopping and then moving again. We can fix this with just a few lines. I'm going to go to start walking. And I'm going to go down to the part where the AI walks straight towards the player. And if the target is on the same platform, we have a function for checking that. Target is on the same platform. In this case, you want to be continuously moving the destination. I'm going to press F12 here and just come up with another function. I'll call it reposition destination. And we're going to reposition the start sphere and the end sphere. So the start sphere's position is going to be the same as the target position, which is a player. And the same thing with the end sphere. I'm going to put this in the start walking script. Reposition. So even if the player is moving, the start sphere and the end sphere is continuously going to be updated. If I play again, okay, we see that the AI is not stopping anymore. Keeps on running until it gets to the player. And we'll continue to chase the player down. Okay. Let me add another AI. Maybe two. But things should be generally the same, even with multiple AIs. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.